Hi everyone, in this video, we are going to talk about why circle is the best shape ever. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. So what is a circle? A circle is a shape that consists of all the points that are at a fixed distance from a given center point. The circle is one of the simplest and most basic shapes in geometry, but it also has some amazing properties and applications. Now let's get to the main question. Why is circle the best shape? Well, there are many reasons, but I'm going to give you two of them. The first reason is that circle is the most symmetrical shape. Symmetry means that something looks the same from different angles or perspectives. Circle has infinite symmetry because no matter how you rotate it, flip it, or move it, it always looks the same. This makes circle very beautiful and pleasing to the eye. It also makes circle very useful for designing things like logos, wheels, clocks, coins, and more. The second reason is that circle is the most efficient shape. Efficiency means that something does the best job with the least amount of resources. Circle is the most efficient shape in terms of area and perimeter. Area is the amount of space inside a shape, and perimeter is the length of the boundary of a shape. Circle has the largest area for a given perimeter, and the smallest perimeter for a given area. This means that circle can enclose the most space with the least amount of material. This makes circle very useful for building things like domes, pipes, cans, and more. So there you have it. 2 reasons why circle is the best shape ever. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you next time.